Want to connect your Bluetooth headset to your PS5? Here's how to do it step by step. First, turn on your Bluetooth headset and put it into pairing mode, usually by holding the power or Bluetooth button until the light flashes. Now, on your PS5, go to Settings, then Accessories, and select Bluetooth Accessories. Your console will start searching for nearby devices. When your headset shows up in the list, select it and confirm pairing. If it asks for a pin, just enter 0000 or 1234. That's the default for most headsets. Some headsets may require a USB Bluetooth dongle for full compatibility, especially if they use advanced audio codecs. If that's the case, plug the dongle into your PS5 and it should connect automatically. Once paired, head back into the sound settings and choose your Bluetooth headset as the audio output device. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy wireless audio on your PS5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.